So it was running 369 horsepower and 432 Newton meters of torque, but we can improve on that. So let's send the file up to our technical team and find out what we can do. We've had the file back from our technical team, installed it in the car and run it on the dyno. It's now running 403 brake horsepower and 458 Newton meters of torque. That should give Mr. Bond a bit more of a get up and go. Anyway, if you want your car tuned by the VIEZU team, give us a call on 01789 774444 or email info@vizu.com.